Microwaves. Every American kitchen has one, but did you know that in Europe, some people still don't trust them? In the US, microwaves are part of daily life. Fast, easy, and everywhere. But in parts of Europe, especially in the past, people believed microwaves were dangerous, like destroying nutrients or even causing cancer. The truth? Science has debunked most of those fears. Microwaves just heat water molecules. They're no more harmful than a regular oven, but cultural habits die hard, and many Europeans still prefer traditional cooking. So, are microwaves a miracle machine or a health hazard? Would you trust your food in one? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's see which side wins. Team Microwave or Team Stove?